So here the equation has been given a plus b equal to 18, ab equal to 35. So from first equation, we can write here a plus b equal to 18 as b equal to 18 minus a, and from second equation, ab equal to 35. Here a times we have got here b equal to 18 minus, so here we have got b equal to 18 minus a. So 18 minus 18 minus a equal to 35. Eighteen a minus a square equal to 35. A square minus a square plus 18a minus 35 equal to 0. Here we can rewrite as 2 factor out minus a square minus 18a plus 35 equal to 0. So here we can write here a equal to on b equal to minus 18 and c equal to 35, and we have to use this formula to solve this equation. Which formula we can use here? Minus b plus minus root b square 4ac by 2. We know that has been given b equal to minus 18. So here 18 plus a square root, here b has been given minus 18 a square minus 4, a has been given here on given 35. Okay. 18 plus minus, so by 2. 18 plus minus 324 minus 140 by 2. 18 plus minus square root 481 by 2. Here 18 plus minus square root, we have to split this. So we can write here 184 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 23 by 2. 18 plus minus, so here we can write 2 root 46 by 2. So we can write here 2 times 9 plus minus square root 46 by 2. Cancel out 2. Here left 9 plus minus square root 46. So here we can write A1 as 9 plus 9 plus root 46 and A2 equal to 9 minus root 46. But here b equal to 18 minus a. b equal to 18 minus b on here. b on equal to 18 minus a and b on 18 minus 9 plus root 46. b on equal to 18 minus 9 minus root 46. b on equal to 9 minus root 46. And here b2 equal to 18 minus B2 equal to 18 minus 9 minus root 46. B2 equal to 18 minus 9 plus root 46. B2 equal to 9 plus root 46. We have to prove here A plus B equal to 18 and AB equal to 35. Here 9 plus root 46 plus 9 minus 18. So this equation has been proved, and we have to see here this equation. So here 9 plus root 46 times 9 minus root 46. So friends, here we have to use a square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here 81 minus 46 equal to 35. So this also has proved. So this is the equation.